Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a very simple job if you do it correctly. We have a 2012, it's a Honda Pilot, and I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in here. So, all right, let me bring you up. I'm going to show you what tools we're going to need, and then we're going to get this job done and out the door. Now this one you're going to need a screwdriver such as this to actually, you're going to need a screwdriver like this to get these little clips out. You're going to need, I always use 1/4 inch when I'm doing batteries. You don't need anything bigger than that. But if you have 3/8 drive, you can use that as well. And I'm going to need a 10 millimeter wrench on possibly to get this off. So, all right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to come up underneath here, and there's the battery down inside there. It's a little bit tucked in there. It's really fairly simple to do. We're going to take this piece here off. The way we're going to do it is we're going to take these little clips here. We're going to pop this up, and we're going to take this off totally. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to disconnect the hole down here and down inside there. We're going to take those off. We'll disconnect it and take the hole down out. So it is fairly easy. So let's get started, and we'll talk about it as we're doing it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take those clips out. You just go underneath here with a small screwdriver and you lift up and you take that portion of the clip out, and you take this piece out also with the screwdriver and you lift it up and out just like that. Same thing here. You go underneath it, just rock it back and forth, it pops up, and you just pull it. Now sometimes it doesn't come out so easy, but you get the idea. And then we'll lift this out, just like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come down underneath here. I hope you can see this right here. We're going to take out, let's get you zoomed in a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Okay, we're going to take out the hold downs. We're not going to disconnect the battery yet. We're just going to remove the hold down. Now sometimes they get pretty tight, but don't force them and don't break it. That's one of the reasons why I use the 1/4 inch drive over the 3/8 drive. All right, then we'll just take this out. Now I just want to point this out to you. These have little hooks on the bottom like that, and these hooks slide into a bracket down here, so we just pretty much pull it out and lift it out, and you put it off to the side like that. Now the battery is ready to come out. We are going to disconnect the negative first. Now you can use a ratchet, you can use a wrench, you can use whatever you have to take this off. It's only a 10 millimeter. Now this one is a little bit tighter here, so we are going to be more careful with this one. We'll loosen it. You want to be careful that your ratchet doesn't touch anything, okay? And now we're going to take off our negative cable first, and we'll put it off to the side. So we're just going to put this off to the side. We're going to take off this cover here. We are going to put that cover back on, just so you know. We'll lift the battery out. Remember how you took it out. Positive, negative. It's got to go back the same way. Get down there. Take off all little caps here and here. Okay, we're going to zoom that in a little bit. Okay, so now after we lay the battery back in there, we're going to take our cover, put our cover back over the top like this, push it down, like that. We're going to reconnect our positive cable first. And then we'll tighten up our positive cable first. Okay. We'll put our negative cable back on as well. Push it a little bit down as far as it can go. And we'll tighten up our negative cable. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our hole down and put that back in there as well. Okay. And then we'll tighten down the hole down. Just going to snug it down. Doesn't have to be real tight, just enough to keep the battery from moving around. Okay, so that's our hole down is down. The cable is now connected. I'm going to put this back on here. Push it in here, like that, and then we'll reconnect these pins. They just go in here just like this, and like that, and then these pieces just push back in, lock it in. That's it, all set. Now, if you wanted to save the memory on your presets on your radio and any other accessories, you would need to have a jump start box or a memory saver that you need to plug into the connector in the computer. All right, so let's continue with that now. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go inside the vehicle now, and we're going to connect up this jump start box. So let's grab this and head over to the vehicle. Our jump start box like that, and then we're going to come over here to our accessory port, which is right there, and we're going to plug the other end into that as well. Right here, like that. Now, okay, and then we would turn the key to the on position. We do our battery replacement under the hood, and once we replace the battery under the hood, then we would come back in, remove the jump start box itself, and we would be all set, and we'd save our memory on all of the presets in the vehicle itself. So as you can see, changing the battery is fairly simple. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.